Hello everyone, welcome to my channel again. Today we'll be discussing a very commonly asked question that is people are worried about, that is open pores and uneven skin tone. मोस्टली लोग क्या कहते हैं, मैम मेरे चेहरे पे ये दाने दाने से आ गए हैं या फिर बम्प्स आ गए हैं या फिर मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा छेदा छेदा दिखाई देता है या मेरा स्किन क्लियर क्यों नहीं लगता है, कहीं पे दाग धब्बे हैं. सो दिस इज़ नोन एज ओपन पोर्स एंड अनइवन स्किन टेक्सचर. Hello everyone, myself Dr. Nidhi Jindal, working as consultant dermatologist in Calcutta. So today we'll be discussing a little about this problem and I'll try to dive deep as much as possible. What is the reason for that? So we will discuss a little about what can be the reasons for the open pores and uneven texture. Increase in sebum production, जिससे कहते हैं चमड़ी में से तेल निकलना. बिकॉज ऑफ द एक्सेस ऑयल प्रोडक्शन, बिकॉज ऑफ द स्वेट ग्लैंड्स, वी माइट फील दैट the skin is not looking good, the skin is looking uneven, the skin is looking rough and the open pores they become more prominent. Then it might be because of the hormonal imbalances. क्या रहता है कि whenever we have हार्मोनल इम्बैलेंसेस, तो अंदर से ही कुछ एक ऐसे रिएक्शंस होती हैं जिसकी वजह से देयर माइट बी मोर ऑयल प्रोडक्शन एंड हेंस मोर विजिबिलिटी ऑफ द ओपन पोर्स एंड रफ स्किन. Sun damage, if we are not using a sunscreen properly or if we are not doing a proper sun care, loss of collagen, then acne and scarring and genetics, they all play a role in open pores. Genetics might be the reason for many of you, but don't worry, science and skincare can be an answer to all this. Now I will be sharing few daily skincare tips which can be used at home to minimize the visibility of the pores. You can use a salicylic acid based cleanser or a glycolic acid based cleanser twice a day. We can use a niacinamide serum, 5 to 10% of the niacinamide serum. It works awesome for open pores. It decreases the inflammation and redness of the face. We can use a clay mask which is very easy to procure and use at home. बहुत आसानी से हमें clay mask मिल सकता है. Use it once in a week and it will give you a very freshened look. Broad spectrum sunscreen जिसमें minimum 30+ SPF हो, and for oily and acne prone skin it's better to use a gel base or matte finish sunscreen. Drink good amount of water and believe me, these simple skincare steps will definitely help you in reducing your visibility of open pores and uneven skin texture. We can also add to this skincare routine, avoid using heavy products and comedogenic products. Do use a light water based moisturizer which is non-comedogenic. Now, what are the various products or what are the various ingredients in the skincare products that help you minimizing your open pores? We can use a salicylic acid serum. It definitely reduces the sebum production and hence the visibility of the open pores. Niacinamide serum, it helps in reducing the inflammation and tightens the pore. Vitamin C serum, it's a strong antioxidant and hence it gives you a brightened skin and reduces the dullness. Retinol, it builds up the collagen and reduces the fine lines. Fine lines are the lines which are visible over your face even if you are not making any kind of actions. These are always static and retinol helps us a lot in reducing the fine line. Zinc, it helps in controlling the acne and reducing the inflammation. The above ingredients that we have discussed help us a lot in reducing the visibility of the open pores and giving us a refined texture of the skin. After doing the skincare regime and using the ingredients that are good for your skin, if you want more or you want a more dramatic and visible improvement, you can always go in for in-clinic treatments under a qualified dermatologist. I will be discussing in detail a few clinical treatments which help us a lot in improving the skin health and skin look. Chemical peels, a simple best solution for everything that bothers you. They exfoliate the skin, removes the dead cells, boosts the collagen, reduces the oil and hence improves the skin texture. Microneedling, or derma roller. They tightens up the pores, build up the elastin and collagen, and helps us in reducing the fine wrinkles too. There are various kind of laser treatment which help us in improving the skin texture. They are best for acne scar, pigmentation and enlarged pores. PRP treatment or GFC treatment, the best for their own kind, also known as vampire facial lift. In this, your own blood, आप ही का blood लिया जाता है around 8 to 10 ml, उसको process किया जाता है clinic में, and the plasma that is made is injected into the skin either with the help of the insulin syringes or with the help of a device called Dermapen. But don't worry, we apply a numbing cream before we do a procedure, and it's a very strong, easygoing procedure. These treatments, they help us in making your skin better, allured and also glowing. After discussing what is the cause, what is the skincare routine that can help, what are the various ingredients, then what are the various in-clinic procedures that we can do, you must be aspiring to know that what is the time period which is required to give us the result after doing the procedures. So that depends upon the what kind of procedures you have done. Skincare products, they take minimum of 2 to 3 months to give you any good visible results, though they keep on adding value to your skin every day. Peels and facials, minimum 3 to 4 sessions are required to give any visible results. Lasers and microneedling, they also require multiple sessions at a gap of 4 weeks, and the number of sessions, they vary according to the concern that we are doing or according to the skin type that we are dealing with. Trust me, the processes are worth doing it. But always visit a qualified dermatologist if you are looking for booking anything which you aspire to do. After dealing a brief review of what could be done, let's burst the myths and let's have few facts about the open pores. Open pores can never be closed, they can be shrink though. Even apart from oily skin, even dry skin can give you a rough textured appearance. Home remedies can, like toothpaste and lemon, they can give you marks.
Science-backed treatments, they work safe and they work better.
So whether you are 24 or 25, if you are looking to improve your open pores and uneven skin tone, start with the skincare today, do effective activities and seek a healthcare professional directed treatments whenever required. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and please, if you have any query, drop your comments in the comment box. Thank you.